Hello, once again, you welcome to FTGF's weekly market outlook. And what we do is we analyze the markets and share with you potential market moves that can help you in your decision making as a trader. Okay, and watching our videos would also help you understand how to analyze the market as a professional from technical analysis point of view, fundamental analysis point of view, and a lot more. Okay, now before I delve more into this week's market outlook, did you see the spike in USD pair? So this is AUDUSD. Do you see this? Did you see this last week Friday? If we pick gold, did you see this last week Friday? If we pick Bitcoin, did you see this last week Friday? Now the reason is simple. After Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium, markets are now pricing in a 0.25% interest rate cuts in September. So if you are trading USD pairs, you need to be mindful of how to approach it. Okay, and what you are seeing now tells you that after Powell's speech, the USD has weakened, okay, against other instruments. Okay, now if you are struggling with how to analyze the markets, you can access trading signals from Ingot Brokers platform. Okay, so if you say Ingot Brokers, you log in into your account, you scroll down to resources, and at the resources you would see signals. Okay, so this is GBP USD signals. It tells you when to enter, put your stop loss, take profits, and all of that. Okay, so once again, you're welcome to FTGF's weekly market outlook. Now let's delve more into it. Now what we do is that we start from fundamental analysis point of view. So you visit ingot.io, you go to resource hub, then you scroll down to economic calendar. Okay, now the economic calendar, it tells you events coming up in the week that might have impacts in the market, like that of Jackson Hole Symposium that happened last week Friday, that after Powell's speech we are seeing the USD weakening more against other currencies. Okay, so you go to ingot.io resource, then you scroll down calendar and pick the date. So next week we are looking at from Monday 25th to Friday 29th. The time is okay. High impact news. And which countries would we want to trade? The currency. So USD because it's of interest. Australia, Canada, Eurozone. Okay. We have we also pick Japan. We also pick New Zealand. We are also picking UK. Okay, so you can choose to pick any country of interest. We are just picking these countries. Okay, so now you come back again, you click on hi, then this tells you you get to know the news coming up in a week and how they are going to have impact in the market. So on the 25th we have news coming from the US. So next week we have a whole lot of US news coming from the US, Australia, RBA, news coming. So meeting minutes. Okay, so that's going to be about their interest rates and a whole lot. Okay, we have monthly CPI indicator news also coming up for Australia. So it tells you CPI has got to do with inflation. Okay, consumer price index. So you as a trader should also be mindful of this. Okay. We have GDP news for USD coming up. Japan also has unemployment rate news, retail news, and a whole lot more coming. So next week, for me, if I'm to choose, I would like to trade AUD pairs and USD pairs. Okay, so from this, I would like to choose from the forex market. I would like to trade AUDUSD because you have CPI or consumer price index news coming up from Australia, and then also we have GDP news coming from US and all. Okay, so now that we have a fair idea of what's going to happen in the forex markets or the events coming up, now let's delve into the pairs we would like to trade and how to approach them. Okay, now AUDUSD. Okay, so 4-hour time frame or 4-hour chart is what we're going to look at. So I click on 4-hour. As you can see here, I minimize it. If you don't know how to select your pair, you go to insert, you go to view, you go to market watch. There are the pairs here. If you're also struggling with it, you can contact me for tutorial videos and I will share them with you. Okay, now this is USD, AUDUSD. Okay, now if you have we take a very close look at AUDUSD. you would realize that price got rejected at a support. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so you can see that price got rejected at this. This is the support. Even if we should extend it a little bit, you can see that this support has been strong. Okay, here that's the support. Here another support, and then this. Okay, so you realize that price has been ranging for some time now. Okay, so that being the support, and then this highest price is going to be the resistance. So if you're a trader, looking out for a buy opportunity, once you have the price rejected at the support strongly here, you can choose to place your buy trade and then ensure that you have proper risk management, which I'm referring to your stop loss and a take profit. Okay, so you can put your stop loss below the support and take profit at the resistance. Okay, so that is if you are a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in AUDUSD. Once you have the supports rejected, which has rejected the price, you can place your buy trade, have your stop loss below the supports, and you take profit at the resistance. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for the price to come down. To come down again and break the support to the downside, and then you place your sell trade. Okay, or you can wait for the price to get to the resistance, and then when it gets to the resistance, and then resistance rejects the price to the downside, you can now place your sell trade. Okay, now let's look at gold. Okay, from a 4-hour chart, you can all see that gold has been in a downtrend for some time now. Okay, so if you look at this closely, the downtrend started from here, and then as you can see here. Okay, so the price started from here, the downtrend started from here, and then price got rejected here. Okay, and as we can see the price approaching the downtrend line, as we can all see here. Now, if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in gold, you wait for price to break this downtrend to the upside, then you place your buy trade and ensure you have your stop loss and take profits in place. If you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity in gold, you can now wait for price to get rejected by the downtrend line to the downside, as I'm showing here, and place your sell trade. Without so, you ensure you have proper risk management where you put in your stop loss and then your take profits. Okay, now the next instrument that we are looking at is BTCUSD. Okay, Bitcoin. So you realize that the price has been rejected by the support. Okay, so as you can see here, and this support is strong because previously this same support was serving as a resistance at some point here. Okay, and so it got broken at this point. Okay, now this support has been tested, price got closer to the support, and at this point price has been rejected by the support, as you can see here. Okay, let me put it there here. So if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, remember this is the resistance, so that's the highest price. Okay, if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, once you have the price rejected by the support, you can choose to place your buy trade and have your stop loss below the support. Okay, and then take profit around the resistance. Okay, now if you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, there are two ways to that. You wait for price to get rejected by the resistance, and then from there you place your sell trade, okay, to the downside. Okay, or you can wait for price to retrace or get back to the support, and when price breaks the support to the downside, you can now place your sell trade. Okay, if you're also looking out for an opportunity in USOIL, okay, as you can see, if you're also a trader looking out for trade opportunities in USOIL, I'm just trying to maximize it so that we can see it clearly, but it's not allowing itself. So this, you would realize that price has been in uptrend for some time now. Okay, so price first, or the uptrend move started from here. Okay, and then the price got rejected here first, and secondly, price has gotten rejected here again. So if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in USOIL or oil, you can place your buy trade. Since the price has been rejected by the uptrend line, you place your buy trade. Okay, and then ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for the price to come down again and get rejected. Come down again and break the uptrend line to the downside. Then you place your sell trade. Okay. Now, like I always say, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place, okay, to protect your capital, and then also when you are making profit, to make good profits for yourself. If you're a trader, struggling with how to assess, trading signals, okay, no need to go and waste money buying trading signals and all. You can just assess trading signals by logging into your dashboard, go to resources, and then you can get trading signals from here. If you also want to copy trades from professionals, you can also do that by just logging into your account. You go to find any trader you want to copy from. If you know the name, like the africaforex.com, you can just click there, and then you would see their performance, how they are ranked, and then you can now pick it up from there. Okay, thank you. Catch you next week. Bye-bye.